Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you, and I've got Roccabox, and this is what the box looks like. If you are a regular to Roccabox, you're welcome to skip forward. You will find a timestamp down below in the comments. But if you're new to Roccabox and you want to learn a little bit more about the subscription, then carry on watching. Roccabox is a UK only monthly subscription box. It costs £10 a box and £3.95 shipping, and inside contains around 5 to 6 beauty treats a month, and they range from skincare, hair care, makeup, beauty tools, plus we've had some added freebies like drinks and snacks and things like that as well. You can opt for a monthly rolling subscription which you can cancel any month, plus they offer a 3, 6 and 12-month subscription. This box is kind of gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it. I'm on Roccabox's PR list, so I'm very grateful to them for sending these boxes out to me so I can share with you on my YouTube channel. All links and everything related to this box, plus they've given me a code which will entitle you to have 20% off your first box, which is Claire20. I'll pop that down below in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that will bring up my description and all links and codes and everything you'll find down there. Now, as well as monthly subscription boxes, they do bring out limited edition boxes as well, and they've currently got a limited edition box on their website now. If you haven't already seen my video unboxing of that box, then you'll find it down below, as well as a link to the website if you want to take a look. And that's not all, they do mystery boxes, and they'll cost you £10 a box and then the shipping on top as well. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, please ask away and I'll get back to you. But let's open this up and show you what's inside. So inside you'll always find a card, and it details everything about the products, including the cost, so I'm able to tot it all up and to give you an overall value. Plus it gives you a bit of information about the theme, and this is their birthday box and I'm really excited about this. I received a press release a couple of days ago, and yeah, it really got me excited, and I'll explain in a minute. So I'll just take the worms away and just give you a sneak peek there. So I'll be going through it one by one. The reason I'm really excited about this box is that when I first subscribed to Roccabox, it was their very first, it was their launch box back in 2017. And the reason I fell in love with it was because they worked with influencers to create the contents in the box. So it felt like we were getting something really personal. I think in the last 2 years things changed and they stopped using influencers to create their boxes. It doesn't have a reflection really on the actual products, but I did really like that. Plus we got to learn who these were and be able to follow them, etc. So they've gone back to their roots. So it says, guess what, Roccababes? It's our birthday, our 4th birthday to be exact. It's 4 whole years since Roccabox launched. So this month we're celebrating by giving you a box that's been curated by the very first influencers we ever worked with. Those of you who are new to Roccabox might not know this, but back in the day every single Roccabox was guest edited by a well-known beauty blogger. So we've teamed back up with the very first beauty influencers to ever create boxes for us and asked them to choose a must-have product each for our birthday box. M. Sheldon, LDN Diaries and Beauty's Big Sister make up our beauty savvy trio, and what a power squad they are. We were specific with our brief to them: choose something that has worked hard to earn its place in your bathroom cabinet or makeup bag. Oh, and I couldn't resist adding in a couple of my current favourite too. So here we have it, Roccababes. This is what they chose for you. Enjoy. Love, Tia, the founder of Roccabox. So starting with M. Sheldon's choice, we've got a product by Marc Jacobs. Ooh, and it's upside down. This is a fine liner. It's a little mini fine liner there. I'll just take it out and show you. I've tried a few different Marc products, eyeliners, and they are amazing. Is this the gel one? I have got a gel one, gel eye crayon. It looks different to the ones I have. I've got different shades. This is black. They do not budge. If it's the same one as I'm thinking, they do not budge whatsoever. Ooh. There, let's give it a try. Yep. So brilliant for tightlining your eyes. The shades I got are like baby pink and baby blue. So they're not your sort of everyday shades, so I'm really chuffed that I've actually got a black one. This is a deluxe sample size and it's worth £8. Marc Jacobs eye products are great for a glam eye look, and they're such high quality. This clever crayon glides on for a super fine yet flawless line. Yeah, I absolutely love this. Really chuffed to have that. Next we've got Daisy's Choice from Beauty's Big Sister, and this is a L'Occitane Almond Milk Concentrate, and we got 50 mils here. Ooh, it looks lovely. A nice little pot. Do you know what? This is one brand I have not tried anything besides their hand creams. I honestly don't think I've tried anything else besides their hand creams before. The melting cream helps the skin to look firmer and smoother. Apply morning and evening on the whole body, so it's a body cream. Let's get a little bit here. Have I got anything else to test on my hands? Yeah. Never mind. I'll just layer them all. If I get that down there, what's the smell? Oh, it smells so nice. It does smell so nice. It's not strong. It just smells clean. It just smells really nice and clean. Oh, it's nice, yeah. So the recommended retail price for this size is £12.50. She says, I absolutely adore this gorgeous body cream. It has a soft whip texture that melts into the skin so quickly and leaves me with a most beautiful satin-like sheen. The almond scent is so addictive too. I love drenching my whole body in it before I get into my PJs at night time. It's got a body cream. Next we got a choice from the LDN Diaries, and this is Beauty Pro Hair Therapy Deep Conditioning Hair Mask. It contains argan oil, jojoba seed, goji berry. It's conditioning and nourishing and leaves hair silky smooth, suitable for all skin types. And it says to leave in your hair for 15 minutes and then rinse off. Now I'm sure I've got one or two of these and I keep them in my drawer behind me and I haven't used them. If you've ever used a hand or a foot mask before, it's yeah, you just wrap it around and then they've got little ties that stick. This is full size, and obviously the recommended retail price is £5.95. If you've ever wanted the effect of a sheet mask but for your hair, then this is it. This mask is so quick and easy to use, and it's great for bringing your hair back to life with its conditioning oils. I can just sit back with it on and check my phone whilst it works its magic. So we've got a hair mask. Next we've got a product chosen by Tia, the founder of Roccabox, and this is a Mono Skin Illuminating Primer with SPF 15. It's a soft focus technology and cassia alata for all skin types. And we've got 50 mils here. I'm on medication. I've got polycystic ovary syndrome, and I used to suffer really badly from acne, so I'm on medication now. I have been for the last, what, 5-6 years, and yeah, so I don't have any acne, and my skin has gone from being extremely greasy to being normal combination. So as far as makeup not, you know, sliding off my face and things like that doesn't happen anymore, which I'm really chuffed about, because that used to be a huge, it does not want to come out. It used to be a huge problem for me. I used to just plaster my face in powder back in the day before setting sprays and proper, you know, proper primers and everything were available. But I use a primer mainly for blurring imperfections in my pores and for illuminating my skin, not necessarily for makeup longevity. I use a setting spray if I want my makeup to really stay put. But why am I smelling it? It hasn't got much of a smell. It does feel nice though. I can't see any illumination, but that could be because I'm filming at night and I'm using my ring light. But I'm not too sure. You're not going to see much there really. Oh yeah, a little bit on my fingers. You can see. Okay, so this is full size, and the recommended retail price for this primer is £36. And she says, like so many of you, I've been dabbling a lot more with skincare lately and have been on the hunt for the perfect primer. At the moment, I'm loving this. It blurs imperfections, helps my foundation to glide on smoothly, and leaves me with a nourished complexion and lasting glow. Great hack if I'm short on time and I don't fancy the extra step. I simply mix some in with my foundation for a radiance and moisture boost. Yeah. So there's that. The last two products in the box was chosen by Tia as well, and these are by Anatomicals, and we've got a Silly Twits Ignore Their Mitts, a 40ml mint hand sanitizer. I cannot wait to smell that. Oh, I love mint as well as like lemons and oranges. I absolutely adore mint. Oh, and this is a Silly Twits Ignore Their Mitts mint hand cream. So we've got a hand sanitizer and a hand cream there. Oh wow, I've had a few products from this brand before, but never this. Where can I put it? Where can I put it? So I've got hand sanitizer there, right? Yeah, I've just only put a tiny bit in my hand there, but Oh, what does it remind me of? It reminds me of the Body Shop, the peppermint foot scrub. Do you remember that? Do they still do it? I'm sure they still do it. Or is it Lush? I think it's Lush. I think it's Lush, the peppermint foot scrub. Oh, that is so nice. That is so nice. Okay, I'm expecting this to be the same. So this is the hand cream. I'll just put it on top of the Marc Jacobs liner. Ooh, it wants to come off now. Have I put anything else on this hand? I don't know. It has a nice mint smell, but I prefer the mint smell to the hand sanitizer. That is like the proper, you know, minty foot scrub from Lush or Body Shop, but this one is still nice. It does smell of mint, but not as strong as the hand. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Not as strong as the hand sanitizer. Yeah, it feels nice. It does feel nice. Rub it into my knuckles there. These come together as a duo and you can buy them for £5. I just love everything about this brand. It's fun, it's quirky, it's always got something amusing to say, and yet its products genuinely deliver. There's no getting away from the fact that hand sanitizer and hand creams have become two absolute handbag staples this last year. So why not make yours smell better, look more eye-catching and feel nicer to use than 99% of the hand sanitizers and hand creams out there? So we got those, and then as an added bonus we have got something by Clean, experts in cosmetic hygiene. Ooh, mine's leaked. Mine's leaked. Maybe you will get a full-size one, but mine has come up, thankfully. The information booklet is saturated in it. It's a brush cleaner, and the recommended retail price is equivalent to around £1 for this size. So you can purchase this from isoclean.co.uk. It says here, because it's our birthday and because we love you guys, we're treating you to this bonus gift. Brush cleaner is one of those things you know you should be using but don't often get round to buying. We won't judge. So now you have no excuse not to keep those gorgeous brushes clean, germ-free and happy. Trust us, your skin will thank you. So those are all the products. So I'll just gather them all up and I'll add them all up and I'll be back. So these are all the products inside this month's Roccabox. We've got 7 products in all, including the extra bonus freebie there. The cost of the box is £13.95 and the value comes in at just under £70. I think for £13.95 there's a nice box this month. Some really lovely products, and I love the fact that they got some bloggers to come back on board and to choose some of their favourite products as well. Yeah, I really like that, and that is one of the reasons I fell in love with Roccabox all those years ago. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? What do you think of the products? Have you received your box yet? Are you thinking of subscribing, or are you thinking, nah, it's not for me? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.